I've got this equation. We'll call this g of x. And I've got this equation, and we'll call this f of x. And we'll say f is parallel to g. What do we know about these two equations of the line if they're parallel?
The slope is the same.
Same slope. Okay. Got another question. Same scenario, but now I'm going to have g of x, and I'm going to have f of x. And we're going to say that f is perpendicular to g. What do I know about those slopes? Yes?
They're multiplied equal -1.
That's true, but what's a simpler way to say it? Yeah. We'll write that down too.
The slopes are opposite reciprocals.
Yeah, they're opposite reciprocals. So we'll say slope opposite reciprocals, and the slope of the function f times the slope of the function g will always equal -1. So if they're opposite reciprocals, it'll always equal -1 every single time when you multiply the slopes together. Okay?
Yeah.
Does that make sense to you guys? Okay. Let's do example number 6 then. Now that you guys know that. Well, number 6 wants us to write a line that's parallel to y equals 6x minus 2 that passes through the point 1 comma -3. Well, because they're parallel, then it has the same slope. So we say that m is equal to 6, and that 1 comma -3 is our x sub 1 comma y sub 1. So to write the equation of the line, I get y is equal to x times the quantity x minus x sub 1 plus y sub 1. Oops, it's m, not x. So then I would say y is equal to 6 times x minus 1 minus 3. Distribute the 6 through, and I get 6x minus 6 minus 3, or 6x minus 9. Does that make sense? Any questions on that? Let's do a perpendicular one now. So now we want to write a perpendicular to the equation y equals -4x plus 2/3 that passes through the point 8 comma 5. So in this particular case, my slope is -4. But we can think of -4 as -4 over 1. So the slope of the perpendicular line would be the reciprocal, which is 1 over 4, and the opposite. So if it started off negative, it would be what?
Positive.
Positive. And then my point now is going to be 8 comma 5, and this would be my x sub 1, y sub 1. So I would say y is equal to m times the quantity x minus x sub 1 plus y sub 1. So y is equal to positive 1/4 times x minus 8 plus 5. Is that right?
Yes.
So I've got 1/4 x minus 2, right? Because 8 divided by 4 is 2, plus 5, or 1/4 x plus 3. Is that right?
Here you go, fellas.
Yeah.
Good job.
Thanks. I've done this once or twice.